Hey guys, Ultra Bliss here and welcome to Tutorial Tuesdays. Today we're doing a tutorial on making reverse echo sounds. I see you. Okay. I know this sounds very strange. Indeed, it sounds very strange, but I think some of you might be craving to know how to utilize this skill of reversing audio. Okay, we're going to be using Fruit Loops today because it's the easiest, it's the quickest solution in my situation. I find Fruit Loops to be very familiar and very easy to use. So what you want to do is obviously make sure your mic is working. So I like to just go there, make sure yes, default input is the microphone, it's already there. Cool. So what I want to do now is just, you want to go to your input, your mixer, input your microphone, just like that. There we go. As you can see, my microphone is now active. So what you want to do now is just record something, anything that kind of sounds scary. It doesn't have to be scary. So hold on, is this out of focus? It's fine, no one's gonna be looking at the little video in the corner there, in the corner here, wherever the corner is. But here's what you want to do for reverse echo. One of the tricks is being able to leave good amount of space, because reverse echo unfortunately doesn't work so well when you have words that are close to each other. It doesn't work like that. So you need a good amount of space, you need loudness as well. So okay, maybe you don't need to be that loud, but you can. So let's do this now. My mic is connected and you want to press record on top there. So you're going to record a phrase. I'm going to say, I guess one of the most common things is I see you. So let's try this now. Record. You want to record audio into playlist. Find it this to be the quickest way. Hello there. I see you. Okay, this sounds so weird, but there we go. Hello there. I see you. Imagine hearing something like this. Okay, let's just re-record this because this sounds stupid. Hello there. I see you. I see you. Okay, I see you twice. Hello there. I see you. So obviously if you have your microphone set up to, what you call it, okay, let's just remove the microphone. There we go. There we go. What? It's still there. Oh, there we go. So now you wanna just pair your audio track to a mix, like so, by going channel, route to this track, and now it's gonna play from there to your track. So what you want to do as well is just let's just select what am I looking for? You want to insert something there. You want to insert something to increase your volume, because my volume is a bit low. Actually, you don't need something. You can just go volume. There we go. Hello there. I see you. Okay, that's fine. So what you want to do now is your track is paired to a certain track there. Hello there. Confirmed. You can even increase a little bit more volume if you want. But what I'm going to do now is reverse this track by going on there, reverse track. It's now reversed. That sounds so weird. What is that? Okay. Okay, this is where things start to get creepy, but you want to just ignore the creepiness and just what you want to do now is add some delay. So search for fruity delay. So once you have the delay, you don't want too much delay, so you're gonna decrease the volume there. So once you have that delay, you want to increase a little bit of more wetness to the track. There we go. Just add some room to it. Okay, you have that now. And what you want to do is record this output. So you want to go to, I'll just go to your master, add Edison, add that on, and click record, and just start playing the track. Did you say Revel? Okay. Revel. Okay, I hope that's not a bad thing, but here we go. Just delete that. Select. You want to select that whole thing. Pressing Control A. And or you can highlight whatever. Now just select this little button over here and drag it to your track. Once it's on your track, delete the old one and just double click on this and click reverse. And now the magic is done. All you need to do is press play and let's hear what it sounds like.
Hello there. I see you.
Oh, that works so well.
I see you.
Okay. That's what it was. It was me saying, okay. Okay. That's like two ghosts. One is saying, I see you. The other one's saying, okay.
Hello there.
That sounds so cool.
I see you. I see you.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's export that as a WAV. You can export it as whatever you want. I usually export WAVs. What? WAV already exists. Let's export it as I don't know, reverse. Oi, Mikey. Reverse. Echo. Cool. And just like that, you have your scary voice. So at the end of the day, it's super easy. It's just a couple of steps, but if you get them just right, it sounds awesome. So good luck with your projects. Hope you come right. And if this helped you at all, make sure to leave a like or dislike. Dislikes are also good, so don't feel hesitant. Don't forget to leave a dislike if you like, or an unsubscribe. That is very important.